Podolin is a self-leveling, fast-setting compound for fine floor leveling in layers from 2 to 30 millimeters. It is ideal for laying ceramic tiles, parquet, PVC, or textile flooring. The quality is guaranteed by the Quality Austria seal. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary tools. The substrate must be firm, dry, and free from dust, grease, and other impurities. If the substrate is porous or highly absorbent, it is recommended to impregnate it with dispersive impregnation, Koncentrat. The first step in pouring Podolin is mixing the compound. Add a 125 kilogram bag of Podolin to approximately 5 liters of water and mix with a slow-speed mixer until a homogeneous mass is obtained. Then, let the mixture rest for 5 to 10 minutes and mix again. The mixed Podolin is poured onto the substrate and leveled with a screed or trowel. The product is intended for new and old substrates and can be applied in layers from 2 to 30 millimeters depending on requirements. During installation, the surface must be rolled with a spiked roller to release trapped air and achieve a uniform texture. Thanks to its special formulation, the product enables fast and easy installation, and the surface becomes walkable after 3 to 12 hours, depending on the layer thickness and drying conditions. Final flooring, such as ceramic tiles, parquet, PVC, or textile coverings, can be installed after 1 to 3 days. Podolin is especially suitable for underfloor heating, as it creates a firm, flat, and thermally stable base.